Moving on now, there's massive terror crackdown that is taking place in Jammu and Kashmir. One terrorist has been neutralized in an operation in Kulgam. Search operations, of course, are continuing. We're given to understand that the firing so far has stopped, but the search and rescue operation there, actually the cordon off operation is currently underway. My colleague sent us this report from Kulgam.
It's been more than 15 hours. The gun battle between militants and security forces is going on in Kulgam area, and here you can see this is the national highway, and along this national highway militants are holed up in a building, and that has been cordoned off by security forces. And in fact this operation started yesterday afternoon when a convoy of BSF, which was on way from Jammu to Srinagar, and it was attacked by militants along this national highway 44, and soon after that attack the whole area was cordoned off by the security forces. And in fact the building where these militants were hiding was immediately cordoned off by security forces. And in fact IG Kashmir Vijay Kumar says that one militant has been killed in this operation so far, because it started yesterday at 3 p.m. and since then it's going on. In fact for some hours late last night it was halted by security forces because many civilians who were stranded near the encounter site and who were later evacuated. But in morning fresh firing broke out between security forces and militants, and in fact the operation started again. But so far one militant has been killed in this operation, and in fact the whole area has been cordoned off. I'll tell Shafiq on my right side, he'll try to show you that this is the deployment of the security forces here. In fact there's Indian Army, CRPF, as well as the Special Operation Group of Jammu and Kashmir Police who are actually who have covered this spot where militants are hiding, and in fact one has been killed and the building is yet to be searched. That's what the statement has come from IG Kashmir Vijay Kumar, who said that one militant has been gunned down in this encounter, but still searches are going on in the area.
Sohail's live with me for more on this. Now, Sohail, so far we know that one LEG terrorist has been neutralized, but what's the status of the operation as we speak?
Well, Poonam, the operation is in the last stage because one militant in this operation has been killed. It was, in the 16-hour-long gun battle, one militant has been killed by security forces. As you know, yesterday afternoon there was an attack on BSF convoy which was on way from Jammu to Srinagar, and soon after that attack the whole area was cordoned off by security forces. But after 16 hours, one militant who is a foreigner has been killed by security forces, and what's more important that the operation is in the last stage. The building where this militant was hiding, where he was holed up for the night, is being searched by security forces. And in fact late last night the operation was halted because there were 22 civilians who were stranded and were later rescued by security forces. In the morning fresh firing broke out between the militants and the security forces. Finally one militant who was hiding there has been gunned down, and this is the last stage because the building is being searched finally, and the firing has also stopped.
Right, the firing has stopped for now, but the cordon and search operations continue is what we're given to understand for the moment. Sohail, thank you so much for getting us those details. It's time for a quick break here on this edition, but we'll be back in just 2 minutes. Don't go anywhere.